Well, hello everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Today's insight is called Trucking Moves the Economy. From the days of the Industrial Revolution, and even before when drivers of horse-cart carriages were bringing goods to retailers for American consumers, trucking has been at the center of our economy. Did you know that the American Trucking Association cited in 2015 that trucking is responsible for 68% of all freight tonnage in America? It also stated that nearly 80% of communities in America directly depend on truck drivers to deliver everyday goods. Long-haul and short-haul truck drivers on average drive 2,000 to 3,000 miles a week while bringing these goods to local communities. Yet, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, a truck driver drives a little more than 70 hours a week while really only earning $43,000 a year. Now, trucking has been at the core of most economies around the world necessary to move goods throughout the mainland. But in the end, industry experts and economists claim that generally it's impossible to truly know how much trucking has an impact on an economy. It's really immeasurable. But as consumers, one thing we do know for sure is how we're going to get our hands on the next cool gadget or that great household item. It will be because of a tireless trucker on the move out there. Thank you.